this video, we have a $50 million yacht, a $300 million yacht, and the $1 billion super yacht. But before all that, here's the $1 million yacht, which is a little smaller than I thought it would be. Hop on, boys.
All right.
Let's see the inside. On the $1 million yacht, you get a surprisingly big living room, a lower deck with a master bedroom, another bedroom that I can't stand up in, and then you got some double beds for the kids. It's a little smaller than I thought. And now we're going to the $10 million one.
10 million.
See ya. It's gonna be great.
Bye. Oh my God, he's fast.
And now we are on the $10 million yacht. Let's check this out.
Holy crap. The front of the boat's huge. This is way bigger than the last one. Look at the view.
I'm getting some good sun here. I'm really pale.
Oh my gosh, yes, this is a nice bedroom. For $9 million more, I can actually stand up.